Okay, so today we're going to be designing and printing some business cards in Microsoft Word. Now, only use Word if you don't have any other options, because it's very limited in printing. So, with that in mind, let's get started. So, let's go to Page Layout, click Margins, and we'll click Custom Margins. Alright, now, we're just going to change our margins. Do 0.5, the bottom will be 0.2. Do left a 0.5 also, and the right will be 0.5. Great, now click OK. And you see our margins have changed. So far, so good. We'll click Inserts. We'll go to our table drop-down. We'll insert a 2x5 table. Perfect, right. So now, we're going to left-click. Right-click and then Table Properties. And then want to click Center in Row. Now specify the height is 2 inches. Perfect, so next row let's specify height 2 inches. And then repeat this for all 5 rows. Perfect, alright. So now I'm going to go over to column. And preferred width is checked. Then we'll click 3.5 for the column. And both of them should be 3.5. Perfect, it centers. And then we're good. Alright, so you can see we have our basic layout for our business cards. So now, let's get to actually designing something. We're gonna work on a center alignment. So we'll just click the center. We'll choose our font or font size color. All that good stuff. Do business name alright. Enter input subtitle, different size. And of course, you can do anything you want. It's not limited to this by any means. The functionality in Microsoft Word is definitely limited with design. But this will do for now for a quick and easy workout. Right do down tunnel. And then just put number, maybe anything you want. Right now, it's pushed the top so we're gonna try to get this down one more. Okay, enter. Alright, and then we're gonna change the font size to actually adjust the spacing. You might as well. Right, perfect. Alright, so now, what we're gonna do. So we're going to right-click, and then we're going to go to Borders and Shading. There we go, and now go over to Shading. And then choose a color. And this will change the background color. Let's do a blue or something like that. Perfect, alright. Let's change the font color to white. I might look better. Cool, so I got a pretty decent but simple design going on here. So now, what's left to do is to copy and paste. And it's probably gonna screw up like this. And there's no way around it. You're just gonna have to fix it afterwards. It's Microsoft Word. It's not meant for designing. But it'll do the job. So, just click on Adjust, just recenter these. Your problems will probably be different, but the fix should be quite easy. Alright, just keep doing this. Going. Center. Center, and alright. Cool, so now we have 10 fully designed business cards here, and the only thing that's left to do is print. So go to our printing options or click Print, and then check your options. All that good stuff, and then click OK, and you're all done.